My name is Ale Vaishondu, and today we're going to be doing a birthday photo shoot for one and only Sandra. My camera setup I'm using is Sony A7 IV with a 24-70G master lens. For my light setup, I'll walk you through. I have the Godox 8600 Pro here with the 187cm umbrella. Over there, I have a Godox V1 with the soft box here. And for my backdrop, I got it from Photoshoot. All the links to everything that I've mentioned are down in the description in case you are interested in buying. For Nigerian buyers, don't forget to check out Camdy Cameras on Instagram. Without any further ado, let's go straight into the photo shoot. Alright, so one thing I would like to do is get somebody that will model for me, because I don't want my clients sitting there while I'm trying to set my lights and then she's smiling, and I'm there like trying to set my light and she gets exhausted. So I will get another person that will model for me just for my light setup. So the most handsome man in Nigeria will be my model. Right. At least he has almost the same skin tone with my model, though yours is almost cracking. Why is this guy excited for the pictures already? Okay. Okay, no, let me turn it this way. All right, so just turn this way. Are you sure? Why are you laughing? This is all right, come out. Okay, so you pocket one hand, the left, yeah, so turn your body this way, so like, okay, let's try this, all right. Now the right hand, take it up, good. Smile. Now just look at this lamp. Smile. Okay. Okay. You want the curves to show. Okay, so let's try facing me straight now. All right, so just step out a bit. Yeah, that's okay. So now I've changed my headlight to 1/32. I want more power on her head. Okay, cross the. Nice. So just your eyes, the way you are, your eyes here now. Nice. Just maintain that look. So Ah, nice. I like. $5 per minute.
What do you think, my friend? Should we record it now?
Yeah, I'll bring that soon here. Let me get this soon. So you should record this. Yeah. All right. So let me get this out.
Wait, are you sure I will not use this one? That one for this.
Which one?
That's
This one. Okay. Can she
what
do
do
it?
you think?
Can she do it?
Why not?
Okay, let's try then.
Yeah. So you're a creative director. What's the next one?
No. Sorry. Left. So at the end of this shoot, I'm going to pay my creative director.
Exactly.
I will pay my creative director $5 per minute. So how many minutes is this shoot? 2 hours.
That's a good answer.
All right. Your eyes here. Good. So for this particular shoot now, I'm using just the one light setup, which is my Godox 8600 Pro, and I currently have a light setting of ISO 320, aperture 2.8, my shutter speed is 125, and my Godox is standing at 1/256. Okay. So one leg should just go flat on the ground. Yeah. Then this one up, standing up, good. So you can just cross. Nice. Yeah. Your head down. Smile. Nice. Good. So this can go on your head. No, this. Yeah. Yeah, good. Smile, smile. Okay, let me turn on my backlights. Oh. All right. We're good.
Please go back. Go back. There was one she smiled at the laugh. I love that one.
So we're done, Stephanie. And now we are done with Sandra's. We are done with Sandra's birthday shoot, and don't forget to turn on your post notification if you've subscribed to the channel. And if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe.
Share with your friends.
And then not to forget my great creative director. Please come. You can also check her out on Instagram. Her link is down in the description.
Yes,
Don't forget to drop a comment. Let me know what you think about this video. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos.
Bye.